How to block email senders in Yahoo Mail. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily block email senders in Yahoo Mail. So let's get started right away. Remember that you cannot directly block a sender with an Yahoo Mail application, but you can effectively manage unwanted emails by opening up Yahoo Mail application, select an email from a sender you would like to block, and then tap on the More button at the bottom right, and then tap on Mark as Spam. This will then remove the email to your spam folder and train Yahoo's filter to recognize similar emails as spam in the future. But if you want to directly block the contact, then you'll need to use the web version. Simply go ahead and open web browser from your device, and then in the search bar type in yahoo.com. Then from the main homepage, once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, select Inbox. Then you will be redirected to Yahoo Mail Inbox. From there, you'll need to select an email from the sender you would like to block. After you open up the email, tap on More button at the bottom right hand corner, and from the pop-up, tap on Unsubscribe. Soon after you do that, you'll not be receiving any kind of email from that person. So that is how you will be able to block a senders on Yahoo Mail application. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.